Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know,
This is not pop. This is carbonated water. I was gonna say, are you guys all caught? Is this the timeout place?
highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling.
Race talk around! Who wants to be a big time? So,
New YouTube content. Yay! Wait, are we playing again?
Three, 2, 1, go! Oh, thank you! No, not again. Jojo!
I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
I lost my tooth.
Nice. Warming up some leftover Ethiopian food for me and Adri for lunch because it's so yummy. I'm not going to heat all of it up because that's too much to eat, but I had it the other night with some friends. It was amazing. Not as good as if a real Ethiopian made it, but you know, good enough. Injera. Ooh, spicy.
I've done handstands before. Why can't I do it now? It burns my throat.
This will bring your throat.
It's not that spicy once you get used to it.
It's good. Okay, are you gonna wear them?
These will fit me now?
I don't know. Beth, these ones are yours, right? The finished bottoms?
Yeah, I don't really want them.
Why?
Because I don't like them.
Beth, is this yours?
I've been looking for that shirt everywhere! I'm back in my cupboard. Why do I have this?
Adri, clean your cupboard to make sure it's
Give me a new
Are
one now
these
that actually fit me. No, they're too big.
They're too big, so you don't want them?
Yeah, I actually... Did I hand sew this? I don't know. I'm pretty sure I hand sewed it.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
This is the leftover fish chowder that we have. Link to the video right here. Is it good? Today, Michael and Toby are out helping a friend, and so it's just me and Adri with all the kids, and it's kind of quiet to them around. So we've been getting some sorting, some organizing done. Now we're having lunch.
I let my popsicle dangle in my mouth.
What did you make?
Nacho cheese? But nachos are the chips.
Well, they call them chips here.
Odd. Wait.
Alex and Rebecca, what are you eating?
Fish chowder.
Is it good?
Yep.
Coming, Jesse?
Too many clothes.
You back to the puppies? Yeah? Be gentle. That's some video. His paws are on me. Oh, you like puppies? Becca, Lucy puts his on my. That's Sam, not Gertie.
Is that a yummy taco shell, Emmy?
Look at the
Oh, no, seriously, you're way
Aw.
better. I did like 3 in a row.
Did you color on your face? Did you color on your face?
You waving to the camera?
Say hi. It's Emily. You want to run now? I see. Go run. Go, go. Go run. Let us fix your sweater before you run away. What the? Billy flop. Let's brush you off. Okay. You're on the move again. Why are you drinking lime?
Because I want some.
Did I get grape juice?
No.
Great. Because you have a lime.
Line.
I'm hungry. Can I have an apple? That is my spot. Wait, that was my spot. I'm hungry. Can I have an apple? It's something.
You want tomatoes?
What?
You want tomatoes?
No. He's nice. See what the fuck?
What does the fox say?
Nim, nim, nim. What does the fox say? Nim, 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 nim. What does the fox say? Nim, 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 nim. What does the fox say?
Are you having rice on yours too?
I'll have everything. I'll have everything except cheese.
Our kids don't learn your first 20 minutes conversation phrases. Just these remind me. But did you see where we said those words? Leftovers tonight. I'm having leftover rice and curry, vegetable curry.
So this is a curry vegetable. Chickpeas, peppers, zucchini, and the baby loves it. So when you don't give them sugar, they like spice.
There's
That's
no
what-
spice though.
There's no spice.
They
but you
like
know what I mean.
flavor.
Flavor. Put food flavor on your food. The kids eat it. Right? You like it? You love it. But as soon as you give them a chocolate bar, game over.
Or a French fry.
Or a French fry. We gave them a French fry. That was a mistake. We're gonna take them away. Give them some more of this. Good. Yeah, curry. Oh,
Can I have some soy sauce?
come back.
Next week I want to do butter chicken. Yeah.
Shout out to India. Our children love curry. Once we rented a basement suite from a gentleman from Mumbai. The most amazing, coolest landlord. One of the coolest landlords we've ever had. Hello, Mumbai.